Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, I wanted to share with you girls that we have some written instructions in English and also in Portuguese that includes not only images but some pictures of the actual sewing process. Of course, if you are more visual and you prefer to follow the sew-alongs, you always have sew-alongs and the link can be found on each pattern description on our store. For instance, for the coral swimsuit, you have two alternatives, the non-reversible methods and the reversible methods. I'm showing you here, for instance, at sewingonlinestore.com, the platform we use for some of our tutorials, how you can easily follow the pattern video, the one I'm showing you now, and also then the two tutorials available. All of this at sewingonlinestore.com. But for instance, if we go and watch the same exact thing for the tie pattern, where you also have the written instructions, however, the sew-alongs are available on our YouTube channel. And you have the intro video, and of course, you also have the tutorial on how to sew. All the videos are free when you buy the pattern, including the ones available at sewingonlinestore.com. Just follow the links, insert the coupon code that we send you by email, and that will be it. Simple. Well, I hope you like this news, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, girls!